Today I'm taking a look at VEVOR J-hook ratchet straps. So we can see we got a large pack of ratchet straps here. We do have instructions. This one's the JC250 2X 30S 10 pieces, so that is a 2-inch by 30 foot. Working load is a little over 3,000 pounds. Braking strength is 10,000 pounds, and this is a 10 pack. So you got a nice neon coloring for that, and I appreciate that they actually wrapped everything together. So we got both sides of that strap contained together. So we got 10 sets of this in this pack. These are thick, heavy-duty J-hooks. Looking at about 7/16 on that metal. And we got a nice large ratcheting mechanism right there, so we're not going to be putting a lot of damage on our hands whenever we got to tighten this guy up. If we need a release, we got this trigger right there, so we can open that all the way up, and then we can spin that by hand. It's time to lock it up, close it all the way up. Now we'll hold everything in place. These do have a weld to hold that J-hook together. Nice long strap on there, nice and thick and heavy duty. It does have the rating listed right on there on the tag. We have the working load, and we have the maximum braking strength, and everything comes nice and neat and tightly packed. One of the nice things about having a 30-foot ratchet strap is that you can make it a 10-foot, you can make it a 20-foot, you can make it whatever you want, all the way up to 30 feet. The downside of having one that's too long is you got all that extra tail that you got to do something with. And, typically you're just going to wrap that guy up, tie it off. There's a bunch of different ways of doing that. But at the end of the day, what you have is an adjustable length strap. Now I'm going to use this for lifting. You're not supposed to use a ratchet strap for lifting. You're supposed to use a ratchet strap for tying things down. With this, we will be able to demonstrate this strap actually holding something. The ground. So that is definitely tough enough to hold up that load. Now we're probably looking at maybe 500 pounds, maybe less. But at least we can demonstrate that that ratchet mechanism is strong enough, and of course that strap is going to be strong enough, and those J-hooks are also going to be strong enough. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice heavy-duty ratchet strap, 30 foot long, that is going to be an excellent option.